Hi there, Hung Taylor, speech language pathology assistant here. And today I am going to make ramen noodles. Just any which ramen noodle you like. So I just chose this one. And today I'm going to use TouchChat to demonstrate with you. So for this, you will need, you could say, I need, and let's go to groups and kitchen, a bowl,
fork,
and ramen. Let's go back to home, drink,
water,
okay. So you need a bowl, fork, and water. So here it is. You need a bowl, a fork, and also this is for safety reasons. What we're going to be doing is we're going to put this in the microwave, and it's going to be hot, so we'll need oven mitts. Okay, so let's get started. And let's read the instructions. First, number 1, boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Add noodles and cook for 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Then we go to number 2, turn off heat, add contents of flavor packet, stir well for 2 minutes. Flavoring is fully dissolved. Mix 2 8-ounce servings. So, but we're not going to be cooking it on a stovetop. We're going to be using a microwave. So let's open this up and take out our ramen. And here is the flavoring packet. Okay. And I'm going to add water. Just enough so the noodles could float. Now, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And your microwave might be different, but mine, I just press one button and it's really hot. So I'm going to read the rest of the instructions while the microwave is on, and we're going to adapt it to the microwave instead of a stovetop. So number 2, it says put in the flavor packet and stir for 1 minute and until it's fully dissolved. So when it comes out, we're going to take this flavoring packet and stir it in. Okay, so I'm going to pause so you don't have to wait 3 minutes along with me. You don't have to wait 3 minutes. Okay, so it is almost time to take it out. Okay, so you just heard the timer go off. Now I am going to put on my mitts and take it out because it's going to be really hot. Okay. And I you can go to describe hot, go back to home, and go to descriptions. And here is
Hot.
hot. The noodles are hot. So be careful. So take out the flavor packet. We're going to tear it up and add it to our noodles. Now, I'm going to stir. Stir for 1 minute. And again, I'm going to pause because it's going to take too long. So I will see you in a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to throw away my trash. And I will see you in a bit as we wait for the noodles. Okay, so here we can go back to home. And maybe we can describe, maybe you're feeling hungry. You could say, I
feel uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Go back and go back to descriptions because maybe you're
Hungry.
hungry. Okay. So I think it is time to taste our noodles. Don't want to get too much. Okay. Still a little bit hot.
Hot.
The noodles are hot. And I think we're done.
Finish.
Finished.
Finish.
Okay. Thank you. See you next time.